Hey, ecom arbitrage is actually simpler than you think with arbiMate. It's very easy to find profitable products that have good profit margins that you can sell on Amazon and make profit today. Let me show you very quickly how easy it can be. Okay, so I'm on the home page of Walmart right now and I'm gonna scroll down, just pick up any product I want and try it and see if it's gonna be a positive arbitrage for me. So I'm gonna go with just the first product here, the little car thing. That's a toy that's selling at $8.48. I'm gonna copy the URL from here, come to arbiMate, paste the URL in the arbiMate check arbitrage section and click on search. It's actively searching on Amazon for product details. It's searching from Walmart and it's going to show me whether it's a positive arbitrage, and it is right the first product that I looked for. You can see this is the same toy. It's a UPC match. Now UPC is the universal product code, so if it's a UPC match, that means the product is absolutely the same where it's being sold, Walmart and also on Amazon. So there's no chance of picking up a different product. It's a perfect UPC match. You can see here the Walmart price is 8.48, then there's taxes, shipping, Amazon fees, everything is included. So at the end, you get your final cost is $17, but the best price on Amazon right now is $22, and every time you sell a piece, you get 4.87 cents on this sale. Let's verify that. Let's go to Amazon.com. You can see here it's the same product. Of course, it's a different photo, doesn't matter, it's the same product and it's selling for 22.49 cents. And you can buy it, or every time you sell it, you're gonna buy it for 8.48, and arbiMate, it actually gives you all the calculations. It includes every expense that you're going to make, and on every sale you're gonna get $4.87 in profit if you list it at the same price, but we recommend that you list it 1 cent lower. So list it at $22.48 and sell this item. So on Amazon, you're going to be able to sell this item because you're going to have the lowest price, and that is going to result in a ton of profit for you. How much quantity of this item do you think you can sell this week? Is it going to be 1? Is it going to be 10? Is it going to be 50? Nobody knows because it's a very popular toy, and I'm sure Amazon is getting a ton of traffic right now of people interested in buying this item at this very moment. And it's very easy to do with arbiMate. All you need to do is go into Walmart, scroll through all the products you want. You can just copy them over, the URL, copy them over to arbiMate, check arbitrage, paste it here, click on search, and arbiMate is going to show you exactly how much money you can make. It's going to take every expense in account, including taxes, shipping, whatever you're liable to pay to Walmart, whatever you're liable to pay to Amazon, and it's going to tell you exactly how much you can make. You can list hundreds of products and create a channel for your sales that just works on autopilot. You don't have to do anything. You don't need to run any ads because you're tapping into the Amazon traffic. You don't need any hosting because it's all hosted by Amazon. You don't need Shopify. You don't need a domain name. You don't need any inventory because you're going to place that order every time you get the order on Amazon. There are no upfront expenses. There's nothing to maintain, and there is no tech setup. You can do it without being a programmer, without being a sales marketing expert, without having to think about headlines or pitches, because it's all taken care of. It's just an arbitrage, finding products that are cheap on Walmart, selling them at Amazon for a higher price because they are being sold there already for a higher price. So all you probably need to do is list it at 1 cent lesser.